This video will show you how to disassemble the front cover of a Q10. For this maintenance, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Before you begin, make sure you always disconnect the machine from power. Remove the screws at both sides of the cover. When the screws are removed, you can take out the cover by starting to pull the bottom side towards yourself. The cover will now come loose and can be fully taken out. Next, you can remove the metal plate by removing the 4 screws. When all the screws are loosened, you can pull out the metal plate. You can now perform any maintenance. Place back the metal plate by pushing it into place. Then you can retighten the 4 screws. To place back the cover, first insert it at the upper side underneath the rim. Use your hands to support the cover when pressing it back into place. Reattach the screws back in at both sides. You have now successfully disassembled the front cover. For more instructions, go to ultrasuninternational.com.